Okay, what we have here is a Kenmore stove, and it was bought at Sears, I believe. Specifically, it's a model 790.96019401. And I got a second hand, and I wanted to do the self-cleaning because it's pretty dirty inside. And I saw it had that option. I couldn't figure out how to do it. So I looked it up online, had a little trouble finding the manual to see how to do it. But this is how you do it. You go to delay start, and this will start blinking. You do this, and this will be the time you want it to start. So it's really not 3:30, but whatever. 3:31, okay, and then you go to clean there. And then you'll press up here. So this would be a 4-hour cycle. That's a 3-hour cycle. Whatever you want it to do. Press it again, and it'll start. And you can hear the motor. The motor will lock the door open or closed, and it won't let you open it until it's done. I'm going to cancel it though. So that's how you do that. And one thing I noticed, it says here, remove the broiler pan and insert blah blah. Remove the broiler pan. So my problem was I can never get that thing clean. It's right here, and I could never get it clean. So I didn't do it at first. As you can see, it burnt all the stuff off that I couldn't ever get scrubbing, no matter how hard I scrubbed. Took it right off. But I noticed that it was the same material that was in here. So after the first go around, I cleaned this out real well, as you can tell. The second go around, I said, oh, I'll give it a shot. I'm tired of that thing. If I can't get it clean, I'm just gonna throw it away. So anyways, I put it in there, did a cycle on it, and 2-hour cycle, and that thing came out real nice. So we'll have to, wash it off a little bit. But I don't know why their little user's manual says to take it out, because that's the only way you're gonna get that thing clean. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.